Today we have quite a number of releases. PlayStation's dropped earlier, we got New Balances dropping, and then later on we have the highly anticipated Jordan 2 Unions. We're going to try to pick up some of these New Balances first though. I don't think I'm going to get anything because stock numbers are going to be like non-existent basically. But it really won't hurt to try. So we're going to go for these New Balances first. Let's see how I end up doing.
Proxy.
My captures are horrible. Oh my god. Processing on kit. No. Out of stock. Sharpness. You just say what? Alright, New Balance, as I predicted, was a disaster. I almost got one. I got one of processing. So yeah, it is what it is. I'm not too upset about it. Honestly though, I wish I could have ran Wrath instead because it looked like they absolutely destroyed these Shopify drops. Anyways, we're going to be going for the Union Jordans now. I hope I at least get one. I need at least one. Let's do this. Go manual, go manual. Bro. Come on, dude. Less than a minute and I'm still in the queue. I can't believe I waited for this long, bro. Come on. Oh, here we go. Because no one can check out, everyone's stuck on processing. That's why it's in stock. We're gonna try. Well, that was a fail. I was focusing on my bots, which made me get into the queue pretty late, and by the time I got through, the website had all sorts of problems, so I took an L. Anyways, coming up next, Yeezy Foam Runner Sulfur release. I'll see you then.